Como de costumbre, navego en la lumbre, ganando billetes.
Y'all in with the business, talking about the bankroll. I been moving weight, boy, I'm talking about the pesos. I be in the trap, gotta do my thing though. I been off the grid, getting caught up with the halo. Said I ain't a shooter, but I'm working on my aim, bro. Y'all just in the stands, I'm the one who's in the game though. Y'all in with the business, this is how it is, bro. Keep it on the low, that's just what it is though. Y'all in with the business, I be on the new wave. Got myself a whip, bought a grip and a new chain. Got the new swag, new kicks and the new bass. Shorty got class, plus she like the way I...
What's going on, guys? Luis Revelo Jr. here. Welcome back to another episode of SoCal Contracting TV. Now, as you can see, this is pretty much what it's like when you're running a company. Like, this is the thing that most people online don't talk to you about, the office work, the monotonous tasks that you got to do every single day to make sure that your business is successful. A lot of the things that I was working on right now are things that most people neglect and they don't like doing. And I'm not gonna sit here and say that I enjoy doing every single little aspect of it, but it needs to get done. Every day when I come in the office, the first thing I do is I send any invoices that are pending, any invoices for work that we already completed. Why? Because a business is not a business without money. You're in business to make money, and you need money in order to succeed. You need cash flow, you need revenue. That's the whole point of starting a company. So sending invoices is on the top of my priority list. Why? Because it generates revenue. Number two is I check all my emails and I check any bills that I need to pay within that week or within that day. Usually I do that on Mondays, but sometimes unexpected bills come up, so I check my emails. If there are any bills that I need to pay immediately, then I pay them. If there are any emails that need my immediate attention, I respond to them, so on and so forth. That includes estimates that I need to send. That includes material I need to order. Anything that's gonna move my business forward. Typically, I start with estimates because estimates potentially bring in new clients. So first thing that I do when I get in the office is I send invoices. And second thing I do when I get in the office is send estimates and check my email. After I check my emails, I send the estimates that I need to send. Then I go into all my boring stuff, which is responding to any outside sources that are like inquiring about something. They need me to fill out a form, or we're running an audit for workers' comp, or I need to send something to my accountant, or I need to send an email to one of my employees. Whatever like regular monotonous tasks that I need to do, that's pretty much the last thing on my list of things to do. And like I said, this is part of the stuff that most people don't talk about. Also, after I deal with all those smaller tasks that aren't really as important, then if I'm not caught up on my books, I start working on my books. As I mentioned before, I do all the bookkeeping, I do all the money management and accounting for the business, but I also have a CPA that works with me on that. So I pretty much do it daily, and then if I have any questions or I run into any issues, or when it comes time to do taxes and everything, I have a CPA that handles all of that for me. The fourth thing that I do is I work on my bookkeeping. So I'm categorizing transactions on my QuickBooks, I'm updating project expenses, I'm keeping track of accounts receivable, accounts payable, I'm running a report, seeing how much money we brought in, how much money is going out, seeing what bills I gotta pay, what checks I gotta write, and so on and so forth. That's really what you're gonna need to do if you want to run a successful business. You need to know your numbers, you need to know what's coming in, what's going out, and you need to just be on top of things. You need to know how much money you're making per project, how much money you're making per day, per week, per month, and so on and so forth. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are liking the content so far, please comment, like, and subscribe. Share it with somebody you think that it's gonna help. And I'm gonna keep working on bringing you guys valuable content that's gonna help you guys grow your business, become better owner operators, become better business people, and just achieve the financial freedom that you guys are trying to achieve. And also, if you guys have not been following me on Instagram or YouTube, if you're new to the channel, you will know that I'm launching a course. I'm working with Lightspeed VT and Brad Lee's team, and we're gonna be working on launching my course very soon. And in that course, I'm gonna talk about everything that I did to build a 7-figure company in 1 year. And I'm gonna go into depth about all the aspects and all the things that you need to know in order to build a 7-figure company. If you're interested in that, click the link in the description to sign up, and so I can have your email address, and I will notify you guys once the course is ready to launch. Trust me guys, you will not want to miss this. This is gonna change your life if you apply the information that I'm giving you. And also, you can always reach out to me on social media, Instagram, YouTube, wherever, and ask me questions, and I'll do my best to get back to you guys as soon as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.